Y'all think I will? You're wrong.
Are you winning, son?
I am always winning, Dad.
Nani? Hello, winning. I'm Dad.
Butter dog, the dog with the butter dog. I got the butter on him.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I got dairy on my head and it's tricky. Yeah, I got butter on my head, so what, bro? I ain't tripping. Yeah, I got butter on my feet, but you won't catch me slipping. Tap me on my head and your hand might sticking, cause I'm butter dog. I'm the dog with the butter on him. Butter dog. I'm the dog with the butter on him. Butter dog. I'm the dog with the butter on him. Butter dog. I'm the dog with the.
In water, chimps will drown.
What up, Sonic Squad? Today we're doing some Sonic racing. Ready? Let me show you how.
Shut up. I'm MJF reporting live from the worst country ever, Canada, and right next to me is Tits McGee from Whore Island.
Hey, paisanos, it's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show!
With the Mario Brothers and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Hooked on the brothers. Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas and Troopers, the princess and the others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. To the bridge. I say a hooked on the brothers. The brothers.
Bro, she made fucking bang.